when you sit and watch this, is fix your brain. If you get 3 months of this, you have no nerve, no mental issues. 6 months, you just get a chair. All your pain mentally goes away. You can bring this with you anywhere in the world. Well, first you have to be there. It's about being there. This is how I was born. This is my wealth. When people say they're rich, I'm like, you don't understand what wealth is. I know I'm rich. You're just wealthy, but I am supreme. This is my home. You see what I said?
They give you all these things to make you feel like you're.
This is it.
They have it.
This is it. This is it. This is it.
You're born. You're king and queen of the land. Born with it.
Yeah. This was from my grandmother's church. So people, this is Mount Zion, Norway, Manchester. This is our home. Many come trying to run me out of here and own it for themselves. Badmouth me just because they want my kingdom. Oh no, they wanted my kingdom, people. I'm just a Randy up top. So them try to take me out with me. Hey, I'm glad. Give thanks to the Almighty. They couldn't touch me. And this for what I have.
This is more than breathtaking.
Mm-hmm.
This right here. This is better than. This see why I say I like mountain view rather than ocean view. This right here. I'm a water person. This right here.
Took a picture for your friend. Tell her it's a gift from me.
Everywhere I do.
Let me know the exact date. She's coming when you text her.
Yeah, wait a bit. You see, she's right on top of the Trelawney Mountain. Right on top. That's the greatest horse. It goes in a like a what's that word?
Slime?
I know it's slime. It moves like a snake.
This is going to fix your stomach. This is slippery elm, people. Go to Jamaica Health Box. You gotta wait to get it from Jamaica because they make it special. This fixes your stomach, your joints. You drink this as often as you can, your stomach is perfect.
Yeah, it's good. It doesn't taste so bad at all. It doesn't taste like it's very pleasant taste.
Yeah, the building is you could walk in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just be careful. Things are broken.
I'm not going too far. I'm just gonna. It's okay, right?
Yeah, man. Go check out the graves. Don't make the junker bite you.
Yeah, I'm right. I'm on top of the food tray.
Okay.
Speaking of drunk, see what fed are you?
Let me see that feather. Beautiful. You want it?
You can have it.
It's yours. Clean it. Special. You see? Feather from a junco. Special. Alright? Clean it with alcohol. Queen, the knife in the bag. Where the knife there? People, Papa. Yes, people. This is Jamaica Good Life. I sit down today. This is 2024. And up on top of the mountain, Mount Zion, I'll go drink some roots to start my cleaning, you know? So I'll come back home every year to clean. The funds is with me. So, have some papa, another thing. These are the slippery elm. You see? It's good for your intestine. It's good for your back, your bones. Alright? So breakfast, we'll go eat papa. Right? And we'll go eat. And we'll go full joy. The view. This is Randy talking to you. Manchester, Mount Zion. Alright, later. But I tell you, because of people like you and places like this, Mommy, you're blessed, Miss Pat.
I'm blessed. I'm highly favored.
You're blessed.
Daughter told me that I'm blessed. I came back here and temporarily.
Uh-huh.
I asked the Lord, if you get free, Lord, don't let me lack.
Mm-hmm.
And to God be the glory. He's making provision for me. Can't complain.
Did you plant your bananas?
No, these are Tony's banana.
Okay.
I'm encouraging to plant more
Mm-hmm.
and more fresh catch crop like cane and what have you.
Yeah, Chris, we're going, you know, my fans gonna come for that little red room and bring a lamp, you know.
Yeah.
In no time, they will help out Mommy for, you know? Get the thing up and running.
That was good, man.
You know, say, at the view, I want them for, and Chris, I always told you that you guys have one of the best views.
So I take a coconut tree there.
You want to get rid of the coconut tree?
What is that over?
That's really coconut tree.
You want to cut it down?
No, you cannot do it. It's not our place.
No, I'm saying coconut tree come down and see better.
Yeah, you know, I was looking over there. I heard some noise, you know, down by they have a dead yard down there. And I wanted to see a person's right there yesterday. And is that clump of bush down there, you know? Is that clump of bush?
You can see.
Is that really the coconut tree? So it's kind of...
Fans, I want you to get this little room and experience this. It's the view. It's the chair, it's the view. This is my home over there where I was born. Right over there. Right over there I was born, you know, at home. And this view, you can get it at Miss Pat House. So I'm promoting it. My number is in the description. Call me. I'll put you in touch with Chris. And you guys could come to Jamaica and full joy this view in the little room. It's country. You're helping her to finish building her place. Yes. This is my gift to anyone in the world who wants to sit. But it's best you're a nice Christian. You know what I'm saying? Because she's a nice Christian lady. So it's best you have that alignment. And she could teach you about the country. So it's a clean lady. So this video goes out to everyone. People, Mas Vincent, pass on. So, you pass on. Mas Vincent ran the day after you. We don't forget you. I'll go pick 2 of your orange to make drinks. People, when I come Jamaica, link up with Rambo. Him have the best cane head. Team cane them, no normal. Some aquifer plant. They are now in Manchester. Home sweet home. I see the car there. So this car load up of things. No, so I just load up a health box. So you know, see we have thing down, the cleanser and everything. And the blood purifier and everything, and soursop and everything. That's how we live. So you have to come and get your eczema cream from JamaicaGoodLife.com. I help to see the blood. This is the blood purifier. Yeah, man. So we see there. Big buck of blood purifier for the year start. Our road for your heart. No sugar. Booga booga. Around the other girls, them sugar. Yeah, cool and cleanse. You see me? We got a big buck of road, so we get the soap from my knees too. So Jamaica good life. You saw me, I say rolling with the good life. Ja Rastafari, we all get all our kid too. Shoes they in a car, man. Show how we live. Yeah. Enough love to give. This is Jamaica good life. Make me show now. We're up on set. Yeah. See it there? Foundation, Jamaica Good Life, Health Box, JamaicaHealthBox.com. See it there? Make history. Keep people healthy. Go to JamaicaHealthBox.com. This is where Jamaica Good Life starts. From Norway, Manchester, straight to Trenchtown. Alright, up at the house, that's around the barn and grow. Queen, I say nothing. Boom. See it there? So we'll go start building the temple soon. Yeah, this is going to be a parking lot. Jonathan house. So now, Rambo bush over there. So. Mr. Mark, big up yourself. Don't be no back up on the shot. Yeah. I'll get you in the place. Love for the human race. Sugar cane for plants. See it, I said here, right? So Denny there. Make sure in our soon we're going to set up Denny so we can spend a day with Denny. A day with Denny. Denny, give them your number again slowly. Slowly. A day with Denny. Era code. 34 34 512. Era code, what kind of fine number that?
Jamaican era code.
876 at Jamaica. So 876. Why you search?
See if it on back. All you do, when you put up here, you just put highlight at the bottom of the screen. Right.
So what the number?
34
34
512.
512. 34512. 876. 876 3. Yeah, so 876.
34 34
34 34
512.
512. Alright, let me check my phone.